To activate manual test, simply activate it in the service menu. Press and hold the left arrow for 5 seconds. Into the service menu, press the minus button to scroll down to manual test. Press the right arrow to access manual test. Here we will see manual test at 0. To activate manual test, highlight manual test. When you select it to 1 by pressing the plus button, what that means is you can do all manual tests on all of these items, but you cannot leave the manual test menu. So it's recommended to put it on option 2, which allows you to do the same thing, activate all these options, but to go to other menus to look at temperatures, for instance. To activate the outdoor unit, simply highlight, press this to 1. This will activate the outdoor unit. To manually test the pump, press the plus button to increase the pump speed. This is a modulating pump built into it, so it will modulate from 15% all the way up to 100%. To activate the 3-port diverting valve, simply highlight REVHW, press the plus button, activate it to 1. Now the flow is going through the hot water circuit. This is very useful for installers that need to flush the hot water circuit lines and the heating lines. So when it's at 0, it's always in heating. Immersion 1, you can activate the first step immersion. Immersion 2, which is the 3 kilowatt, and immersion 2 is the 6. External auxiliary heater is a boiler, if you had another boiler. Potential free is just the volt free input. Bypass cooling, not really needed in this. System shunt, that's if we had a mixing valve on the line. Again, we can activate our zones here, zone 1, zone 2, by highlighting plus to manually open our zones. And if we want to turn everything off, simply go up to manual test, highlight the 2, bring it back down to 0, and whatever you have changed here or activated will automatically default to standby. Press the left arrow twice, come back out to the home page.